Hey everybody, Tom Henry's how to, so I'm going to show you how to make Lebanese tomato salsa, also known as Banadurah Hurrah. Let's get straight into it.
Alright guys, so for this recipe we're going to start off with one brown onion, slice through the middle, and we're just going to finely dice it, and we need the whole onion for this. Alright, so let's move on to our stove now. So guys, just into a small pot on a medium heat, we'll start by adding in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we'll start by adding in our onions. And we just want to fry our onions until they're softened. Once the onions have softened up, we'll add in about 2 to 3 crushed garlic cloves. So once the onions start to get a nice brown colour, we're going to lower our heat to low to medium. And we're going to add in 2 cans of crushed tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of dried mint, 1 teaspoon of dry oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and we'll add about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now we just want to bring this all together and stir it well. So guys, all we want to do now is simmer this for around 5 to 10 minutes. We want to let all those flavours develop and for this to thicken up. Alright, so that's looking pretty good now. So we'll go ahead and turn the heat off and let this cool down. Alright, and there we have it guys. I've just served it up with some thick toasted bread on the side. So this can be served either hot, warm or cold, that's up to you. And it goes perfectly as an appetizer or perfectly with meat. Now storage wise, you can probably get up to about 2 weeks in the fridge. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.